Hi, Ronix Royalties. It's your girl Ronix, and today is our sewing tutorials. Now, if you are yet to watch the cotton video of this dress, please go ahead to watch so that you won't miss out in any of the discussion we'll be making in this sewing video. Thank you for always stopping by on my channel. It means a lot to me, guys, and I promise to update you on new trends. Thank you.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire.
Starting from your chest area, you're just going to go down to your underbust to cut for the breast pad. Then I went in by my bust span plus 1. So I cut for both sides of the bust area and then the center front, like so. Just go ahead to do it this way. You're going to have a nice looking bust area after you're done. So I am going to just stick that with my iron. So now you're going to do the same on the sides of the bust area. You're just going to place your bust wording like so. So you will trim from the chest line like so to your under bust, and then you have it. Your bust area is ready. Now what you'll be doing next is joining the front darts together. Go ahead to fix your front yoke like so. So from that dart line, I'm just going to go in by 1.5 and I'll pin that down. Then I'll place my lining on it like so. Then I'll sew the chest area that way. After sewing, I'm just going to trim off the excesses at the neck, the chest line, so that I don't want to have any bulky fabric there. Then I'll top stitch. Go ahead to turn the zigzag part this way also. I pin that down, then I sew it, then I turn it out again. So I'm just going to work on my back pattern and my peplum area like so. You can add interface to your peplum to make it more firmer. Go ahead to join the shoulder line of the back pattern and the front pattern this way. So I'm just going to start with I will sew the zipper space like so by 1.5, and then I'm just going to impute my dart space also like this. Then I would place the back pattern and front pattern together, then take my side seam area with my allowances, and then on the sleeve fold in 1 inch for your elastic space. The sleeve width I'm working with is 12 inches, so 12 inches minus 3, I would use the remaining 9 inches to cut my elastic. Okay peeps, do not forget to turn on your notification bell because there are so many tutorials coming up. Stitch down your sleeve this way and then shape your armor area, and then you fix your sleeves, and our crop top is ready. All right, on the bow just do 10 inches wide, 10 inches long, and then you stitch the side like so, and then you leave a 2 inches space so that you can turn that out. And then I'm just going to join with my needle and thread. Then our bow is ready. This is beautiful, right? Okay, so for my peplum, I'm just going to stitch that down by 1/4 inch, and then you open it up that way. Then you are just going to turn it over. So this is how I simply remove my label from my Ankara fabrics. Just place a paper on that and place your hot iron on it. I do not have power supply right now, so I'm not going to be doing that now. Now go ahead to turn your lining with your fabric. I'll cut that open and then I'll turn it with my lining like so. Just follow suit. My waist circumference here is 32. Then I made the length of my waistband to be 64 inches and the width is 5 inches. Now go ahead to fold that into 2, like so. That means after folding into 2, you have 2.5 on fold right now. So now go ahead to fold again lengthwise, fold into 2. So from the center front of this waistband, I went ahead to mark 15 inches, then I put a notch on that part. This 15 inches will be the space for our peplum. So the remaining space will be for the tying at the back on this detachable peplum. Now I went ahead to stitch down the 2 sides where we'll be using to tie our peplum, and then I'm just going to turn that out like so. So on the notched part of the center front of this waistband, I'm just going to start adding my peplum like so. Feel free to let me know in the comment section the next video you would want me to work on, guys. So I have pinned out the center front like so, then I pinned it at the 15 inches to the left, at the 15 inches to the right, and then I'll just sew that down and our peplum is ready. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate you for watching my videos, for coming to my channel. Even when I wasn't consistent, you guys were still here. Thank you so very much. This love is massive. I promise not to disappoint you guys. Thank you, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.